Assalamualaikum and good morning, dear students. For today, we will do revision on last week's lesson. Task for today will be on exercise worksheet revision 1. But first, you need to watch this video before you do your revision task. So let's do revision on last week's lesson. We have here example 1 on counting how many cubes are there. We have groups hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's count how many hundreds do we have here. We can see that there is 300 flats. 1, 2, 3. So we have 300s. Next, let's have a look at tens. Here, where we have 5 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 tens. Next, let's have a look at ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 unit cubes. So we have 4 ones. So we have 300s, 5 tens, and 4 ones. When we combine the numbers, we have 3, 5, 4 in numerals. And in words, we read this number as 354. Let's have a look at the second example where we have skip counting. So in example A, we want to find out what is the number after 600 here. So let's have a look at the number pattern first. We have 200 going to 300, and then it goes to 400, 500, and then 600. What do you notice here? What is changing and what remains the same? There is a change in the hundreds, where we have the numbers going from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 and to 6. This means since there is a change in the hundreds, we are adding 100. Why? Because when we add 100 to the number 200, we will get the next number, which is 300. If we have 100 more than 300, we will get 400. Therefore, the number after 600 means we are adding 100 to 600 here to get 700. What about, for example, B? We have the number 101 going to 102, and then 103, and then 104. So we want to find out what are the two next numbers after 104. What do we see here? What changed? We can see that the number in hundreds remains 1. As for the numbers in tens, it remains 0. There is a change in the number ones from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. This means we are adding 1 to each number. When we add 1 to 101, we will get the next number, which is 102. So, when we add 1 to 104 here, we will get 105 as the next number. And 1 more than 105, we will get 106. So now, I want you to do your task for today which is Monday, 17 January 2022. This will be your task for today on doing revision 1. So please take these two papers into your A5 book labeled revision, and I want you to do all of the questions that you can see here. That is all for today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow for the next lesson on upcoming exercise worksheets. That is all for today. I'll see you next lesson.